Guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys most of the reason why you need to source or procure or purchase from Pinduoduo, a Chinese app. Now, for the purpose of those who don't understand what Pinduoduo is all about, Pinduoduo is more or less like a 1688, and it shares similarity between 1688 and between 1688 features. But one of the great things about this app is that I'm going to state it and I'm going to show you in the example video of today's practical video, and I'm going to tell you some of the reasons why you need to procure on Pinduoduo app. Now, before we get today's practical started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload content about importation from China and some other country, you get notified and watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class on importation, where I teach people on how to import successfully from China and import from China to your desired country and import from some other country as well, I have a premium class. If you will have interest to join, you can feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video, and we'll be able to talk about the premium class, how it goes. So, and finally, you can as well ask me whatever question you have as far as this video is concerned. Kindly put your question in the comment section down below, and I'll be able and glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So let's get to the practical started. So guys, I'm going to access my Pinduoduo app. So you can see from the screen right here, this is my Pinduoduo app. Okay. All right, so this is the landing preview of how the app looks like. Okay, I think I'm having, so never mind the pump up, so I'm going to close it here. Sorry, go back. So I'm going to close it here. I'm not interested. Go back. Okay, so now this is how the landing preview of the app is going to look like. Now I'm going to use a particular product as an example for you guys to know why you have to procure on Pinduoduo. Okay, so let me say, for instance, I'm to use this product here, this washing machine, as example for you guys. So I'm going to click on the product link now. Okay, so now you can see this particular product here. You can see the price. Now, the original price for this product is 305 RMB. Okay, but come to think of it, at this point here, it states that 295 RMB. This is just, I think, about 10 RMB difference discount for this particular product. So for every product you procure on Pinduoduo, there is always a discount. That's one. Two, in Pinduoduo app, there is nothing like MOQ, unlike some other platform whereby for you to buy this particular type of product, they might state that you must have a minimum, you must order for a minimum quantity of, let's say, 10 to 50. Some suppliers are like that. So some will say minimum order is 3, minimum order is 2. So for Pinduoduo, there is nothing like MOQ, which simply means that you can buy a single item. So if I'm interested in this particular washing machine here, what I'm going to do is to just click on this big red button here to place my order as a single one. Okay, so this is one of the great advantage whereby you need to procure on Pinduoduo app. So another advantage as far as Pinduoduo app is concerned, let's take a look at another product. Okay, so let's look for another product. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this Slipper Crest blender here. This is so I'm going to click on the product link. Now you can see the product states here that the original price here for this product is 72.25 RMB, but now stated that 67.25 RMB as far as this is concerned. So I have explained something about this earlier on. Now, another great opportunity about this Chinese app and Chinese e-commerce app is that some of the manufacturers here, they have a live display video of a particular product before you can buy it. Example is what you are seeing from the screen right here. You can see how the blender it works. Okay, this is another great thing about this particular app. Now, for you to buy this particular blender, you are going to place your order here by just click on this big red button, which is 67.25 RMB. Now, for you to see more information about the product, all you have to do is to scroll down and see what people have to say about the product. So you can see more products from this manufacturer. You can see the product videos. You can see product pictures. So many things as far as the product is concerned. You can see more product picture. You can scroll down. Some of these supplier here, sometimes they upload their certificate for you to know that they are authentic and genuine supplier. So now, if you would like to play the product video, just click on the video. It's going to play, and you see how things. So you can see. So there are a lot of great features about this Pinduoduo app, and if you find value for this video, please click on the like button. And also, if you have any question for me as far as Pinduoduo Chinese app is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.